So we all know that in Trinidad and Tobago, if it's Christmas time, then it's pastel making time. The key thing with making pastels is to do it with a posse of friends and your family. It's a lot easier and you could always make a lime while you're doing it. We use a combination of pork and beef. We added raisins, lots of chopped olives. I like to use some Worcester sauce, some tomato puree, fresh thyme, pimento sauce, or pimento peppers if you can get them. Now for the cornmeal mixture, of course we use a lot of hot water. I put salt in, I put butter, and I also put olive oil because I really want to have a nice flavor. And then blanching the banana leaves, mixing the cornmeal. When it comes to putting the pastels together now, make sure you have your little production line going. We have a pastel press, we covered it with a plastic bag, and then we oiled everything. Flatten your cornmeal on the pastel press, add your meat, fold into the banana leaves and fold into the tin foil. You can do both simultaneously if you want, but I find it uses more foil or more banana leaves, so I do them separately. And then we steam everything for a little while to make sure the cornmeal cooks properly. And so you can freeze those, or you can do like what we did, which is you can start eating them right away. Happy pastel making, everybody.
Yummy.